Hi guys, this is Vineet, and in today's video we will discuss about integration services user interface. Before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as subscribing gives us huge motivation to create new videos for you and for other SQL professionals. Right now, if you see in the middle section, I have around 350 subscribers on my channel. I want the subscriber count to reach somewhere around 500 subscriber. So guys, we need your love and support here. Please do subscribe. And also I have 144 videos posted on my channel at present. So watch out these videos, as these are very important for you and useful for you as well. And on the right hand side, if you see watch time from subscriber, you see that out of 100 people viewing our videos, only 6% of them are subscribing to our channel. So I have a request for viewers who are watching our videos to please subscribe. And how to subscribe is, let me tell you the way to subscribe. So just below this video you will see a subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button, you will get a bell icon. Click on that bell icon and select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future videos. You can also see an animation on the right bottom side in the blue color rectangle, which shows you the way to like, subscribe and get notified for my future videos. So just go ahead and quickly subscribe. There are some points to remember while watching my videos. Please watch this video till the end to gain better clarity of the concept, and if it's possible for you, please watch this video twice. Perform any exercises in your lab and test environments only. Do not touch any production environments or production databases. We would like to know your thoughts regarding our videos, so please share your comments with us. Also, do post your questions to us as well. In case you need the PDF copy of the notes that are discussed in the video, there are two methods to get the same. First method is the paid method, where you will send me the name of the video via the email on my email address vermavane@gmail.com. So upon receiving your email and the video title for which you requested the PDF notes, I will send you the payment link, after which you can make the payment on the link specified and you will get the PDF copy of the notes. Second method is the free method, where you can get notes without making any payments. So that method is, you can just subscribe to my channel. If you are already a subscriber, you can get free notes. So in order to subscribe, you need to click on the subscribe button below this video. Once you click on the subscribe button, it will show as subscribed. So once you subscribe, take the screenshot of that section, which is showing the subscribe button as well as my channel logo, and along with that the video title. Send that screenshot to me over to my email address vermavane@gmail.com. So upon receiving your email, I will check out the video title and send you the PDF notes copy over the email. I have curated some playlists for you to watch. So these four are our main playlists. So first one is the database design playlist, which contains videos related to database design. Apart from that, we have business continuity playlist. This contains videos related to backup management and disaster recovery. Third playlist is on SQL Server indexing and contains videos related to SQL Server indexing. Fourth playlist is on SQL Server performance tuning and contains videos related to SQL Server performance tuning. All these links are included in the video description area, so you can check them out. Each playlist has around like 45 to 50 videos, especially the first two ones. The fifth link is my channel page link, which is youtube.com/SQL Talks by Vineet. So visit my channel page. I will also include this link in the description. So once you visit my channel page, there's a subscribe button there as well. You can subscribe from there as well. And also on my channel page, you will find the popular videos or videos that most of the viewers are watching. You will get the recommended video section for you as well. And apart from that, you will find all the playlists on my channel page as well. Now let's come back to today's topic, which is integration services user interface. Let me quickly go to notes. So today we will cover this, and let me select my pen pointer quickly. Alright, so today's topic is, we will discuss on the integration services user interface. So first of all, we will go through some theory section, which is this, and later on we will cover some demos. Basically, we will show you the walkthrough of dialog boxes, windows, and custom editors, and the advanced editors available. And we will also do a walkthrough of SQL Server data tool features. Now let's start with the theory section. So in addition to the design surfaces on the SSIS designer tabs, the user interface provides access to the following windows and dialog boxes for adding features to packages and configuring the properties of package objects. So basically, SSIS design or the integration services provides the surface for the designing of SSIS packages. So once we are inside the integration services design environment, so in addition to design surfaces, this particular user interface also provide access to some windows and dialog boxes for adding features to packages and configuring the properties of package objects. Now the dialog boxes and windows that you can use to add the functionality such as logging and configuration to the packages. So these dialog boxes can be used to add functionality. One of the functionalities is like logging, and we can also change the configuration of the packages using these dialog boxes. There are also some custom editors available which can be used to configure the properties of package objects, and there are custom editors available for containers, task, data flow components, each one of having their own custom editors. There's also advanced editor dialog box available, which is basically a generic editor that provides the more detailed configuration options for many of the data flow components. Now let's talk about SQL Server data tools. These provides us the windows and dialog boxes for configuring the environment and working with the packages. Now let me take you through a walkthrough of dialog boxes. We will cover both the demos here. So this one and this one. Okay, let's go inside the Visual Studio environment. Give me a second, guys. So we need to open Visual Studio, which provides the environment for us to design the integration services packages. So now we are inside the SQL Server data tools. So let's open up an already existing project, which is an integration services project. Now we are inside the Visual Studio window, and this is an integration services project. It is still opening up. So once it will get ready, we will see what has to be done. Okay, now we are inside this project. So right now Toolbox is not showing anything to us. Let's discuss about some of the, let's try to open this package. Let's double click on the package, which basically opens up the package, and in the design view you see here we get the package opened in the design view. So we are inside the Visual Studio design environment. Let's see, let's discuss some of the dialog boxes. So after we open up a package, just when we double click on the package, it opens up the package in the SSIS designer, and we have the following dialog boxes and windows which are available to us. And let's go through these dialog boxes. So first one is the getting started dialog box that opens up. If you don't see that dialog box, you can right click on the control flow. This is the control flow tab. So you can right click on the control flow tab and select getting started. That basically opens up the getting started window, and basically this window can be used to access samples, tutorials and videos. Alright, and this is the way to get it. And this can be accessed from data flow tab as well, so you can Right now the data flow tab is not appearing because data flow component is not there. From control flow tab you can select the uh, getting started option to open up the getting started dialog box. Now let's talk about another dialog box, which is configure SSIS logs, and this dialog box can be used to configure logging for a package and its tasks by adding logs and setting logging details. So basically we can configure logging for a package and its task by adding logs and setting logging details. So from the one of the option is to from the SSIS menu we can select logging. So go to extension, you will see SSIS menu. From there you can select the logging option. It will open up a logging dialog box. Here you can set the logging options for the package. For now we are not discussing this box here, but yeah, I'm generally giving you an idea how to open the various dialog boxes. And this dialog box is used to configure the logging for a package. Its main purpose is that. In my later videos I will cover all of these items in details, so keep an eye and keep subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button below this video. Now one of the ways to get this dialog box is through SSIS logging option. Another way is you can right click anywhere in the design surface of control flow tab and select the logging option. That also gives us that dialog box. So this is another way. Next dialog box is for package configuration organizer, which basically lets you add and edit package configurations, and basically we run the package configuration wizard from this dialog box. So in order how to select that, you need to go to SSIS menu, and in the SSIS menu there's an option package configurations, which is not available right now. So we will take a look at this option later. Package configuration option is currently missing. Another way to get the package configuration option is by right clicking and selecting the package configuration. The option is also not coming over here, so we will talk much about this option later in our later videos. That option is not coming right now. Alright, let's go to next option, which is digital signing. So basically that can be used to sign up a package or remove a signature from the package. So how to do that? You need to go to the SSIS menu and select digital signing. Open up the digital signing box, and this box can be used to sign a package or remove the signature from a package. Another way to get this box is to right click on the control flow tab, and there's a digital signing option. You can select it from there as well. And next dialog box is for setting the breakpoints or to enable the breakpoints on task and set breakpoint properties, and that dialog box can be accessed from the control flow tab. Right click on a task or container. So basically we should have a task or container, so let's add an SFTP task here. So once this task is added, what you can do, right click on the task and select the breakpoints option, or maybe edit breakpoints. So this gives you this dialog box set breakpoints, where you can set breakpoints for various events from here. So right now we are not describing all of this, but yeah, just giving you a general idea of these dialog boxes. So alright, so this basically the getting started window link provides access to the samples, tutorials and videos. We have already discussed that, and now let's talk about the other windows. Alright guys, let's talk about some other windows that are available. So first one is the variable windows, which can be used to add and manage the custom variables. So how to get that window? You need to go to SSIS menu and from there you can select variables to get the variable window, and this window can be used to add and manage the custom variables. For now we are not discussing about this window, but yeah, I'm giving you an idea what's the use of this window. So one way is to get it through the SSIS menu, extension, SSIS and variables. There are two other ways as well. So we can right click anywhere in the design surface of control flow and select variables to get the same window, and from data flow tab it can also be accessed in the same way, and this can also be accessed from the view menu, and we can go to other windows and we can select variables to get the same window. Let's close it. Now the other window is for log events basically, and how to access that, you need to go to extension SSIS and there's a log events window, and the use of this window is basically to view the log entries at runtime, and one of the ways to access this window is through, let me close that window, close this window. So we are back, and the way we can open this window is through the SSIS menu. Under the extensions menu we can select the log events window, and let's close it. And another way to get this window is to right click on the design surface of the control flow area, and we can select the log events option to get this window. Let's close it. Another way is to go to view and go to other windows, and there's a log event section to open up the log events window. We will discuss the use of this window later on, so right now I'm just giving you an idea what that window is. Apart from that, we have some custom editors. So we have a custom editor for container, so let's add a sequence container here. So once this is selected, over the right hand side you see a custom editor or custom properties for that container. If that is missing, you can right click on the container and you can select the properties, which will give you the custom editor for the container. Similar to container, we have properties for custom editors for tasks. So for FTP tasks we have this custom editor, and on the data flow tab, if we have source edit, the data source edit, we have similarly the editor for source, transformation and destination as well. For now it works like same like we are seeing the window for the FTP task and for the sequence container task. We see the properties window for the source, data destination, and the transformation we are applying in between. We will see properties for that as well, so we will discuss about them later. Now let's talk about the advanced editor, which is basically a dialog box. It's basically a user interface for configuring the data flow components. It reflects the properties of the components using a generic layout. The advanced editor dialog box is not available to the integration services transformations that have multiple inputs. Alright, and to open this editor, we need to click the show advanced editor in the properties window, or right click the data flow component and then select show advanced editor. Right now we have not selected any data flow component, so we will not be able to show you the advanced editor. So later on in our videos we will work on the show advanced editor. So keep an eye for my future videos. Alright, let's go to SQL Server Data Tools feature, which is the next demo. This one basically. Let's cover on this. So SQL Server Data Tools is this whole environment, and it provides us the windows, dialog boxes and many options for working with the integration services packages. And we have some of the windows available. First of the windows is the Solution Explorer window on the right hand side, which basically lists the projects including the integration services projects. So right now if we just take a look at this window, it is just containing an integration services project, but yeah, other type of projects can be added as well to this window. So integration services project can be used to develop the integration services package and project files, And packages can be sorted by name, but here we only have one package, so sort by name option is not coming over here. And there's a toolbox window on the left hand side which basically lists the control flow. If we go to control flow tab, it shows us the tools according to control flow, and if we go to data flow tab, it shows us tools according to data flow. So this is the toolbox window which is coming on the left hand side. This is the toolbox window. And the properties window lists the properties of the object. It can be accessed from right clicking an object and selecting properties. So this is the window which can be used to list the object properties. And there is basically a format menu as well over here. So if we select any object, there's a format menu which can be used for sizing and aligning controls in the package. And the edit menu provides the copy and paste functionality as well. If you want to copy a particular task or paste a particular task, we can use the edit menu. And this can be used to copy and paste, provide the copy and paste functionality for copying objects on the design surfaces. And there's a view menu as well, which provides option for modifying the graphical representation of objects in SSIS Designer. Alright, I think guys we are done with this video. In this video we have shown you some of the windows that are used in the integration services UI, including the getting started windows, the configure SSIS logs windows, detail signing window. We have shown you set breakpoints window. Apart from that, we have shown you window for variable log events. We have shown you some custom editors for various components. We have taken you through SQL Server Data Tools features, including the Solution Explorer. We have shown you Solution Explorer window, and we have shown you Toolbox. We have shown you properties. We have discussed about the format menu, and we have discussed about the property window. We have discussed about the edit menu and the view menu. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please click on the like button. Do post us your comments, and please guys do go ahead and subscribe to this channel. There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button. You will get a bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my upcoming videos on SSIS and various other SQL domain areas. And also please share this video with your friends in case you feel if this video is useful for them. Also ask your friends to subscribe to my channel, as there will be a lot that is coming in year 2024. So keep an eye, and I thank you so much for your time on this video today, and you have a wonderful day ahead.